Thank you for joining me on any run-of-the-mill Tuesday, although it does feel like that mono day thing, that uni-day when you're a parent. Every day is just the same day. It's that Groundhog's Day thing. Anyway, welcome back to another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. And, wow, I got my favorite amp manufacturer sitting here on the bench. This is a Swart Atomic Space Tone. It's a 112 combo, oversized, rockin' a British-flavored Mojo speaker, 12-inch driver. This one's making some erratic sounds that aren't coming from the owner Strat. This thing should be making some sweet, sweet tones, but it's not. Let's dig in for this quick assessment, which will be very self-explanatory, so I'm about to duck out and let you guys just watch the rest of it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do the whole thing. Tell your mom and them what's up. Bye.